sell clutch bag, boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me little brat. He love me long time, cause it's cash, yeah, I match that.
What's up, you guys? Truly Sierra here, and I am back with another video. And as you can read by the title, today I am doing a little nail supplies haul, because if you didn't know, and if you don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, I am going to nail technician nail technician school. So I'm very excited about that. Very excited. So I got a couple of things from Amazon, and one thing I don't know where I got it from because it was in Texas, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got for school. Well, basically, she told me that we have supplies at school, but if you want to do nails at home, that's fine, so get your own stuff. So that's what I did. I have 2 drills, one in Texas and one here. If you don't know what a drill is, it's the machine that you file your nails with and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I got so far. I'm still getting more stuff. I'm just showing you guys what I got so far. So let's just jump right into this video. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit that bell next to the subscribe button just to get notified any and every time I post a video. And let's get right into this motherfucking video. So, first thing I got, and this was in Texas. This is the thing that I told you guys I didn't know where I got it from. But it's like, I don't want to flip it over because I don't want nothing to fall. But it's like this. And this is where you hold your monomer, your powder, you want to put the acetone in there, you can. This is just stuff that you can put in, the chemicals that you can put in here. And I might take it out the box to show you guys what it really looks like. So this is what it looks like. I really like it. I like the silver, it's sleek. And then you also have the holes right here to put your brushes in, so I really like that. That's just something I can hold all the chemicals in. So I got that, and I can't tell you where I got it, but I got it. And then the next thing I got from Amazon Prime. My grandma had Amazon Prime, so you know how to use her account. And then so the next thing I got is the nail drill set designed for high quality work, and it's Pro Drill 30,000 RPM. And it looks like this. This is also, I think it's pink. And it looks like this. I haven't took it out the box yet, but it looks like this. I actually want it purple or it's black, because the desk I'm gonna get is black. But I'm gonna show you guys next time when I get it. But this is what it looks like. And it's really nice, and it comes with all the little heads to go on a drill, which I need to get some more. And that's for that. Now we're gonna go into the boxes, and I will have all the prices down here on the screen and in the description box. Dang, all of that for this little box? Okay, so I don't know what this is. I think I know what this is, and then I don't. Oh, I know what this is, because it smells like it. It smells like it spilled or something in here. Exactly what it smells like. So this is what the other package looks like, and it also came with a file. This is the products that I told you about that I was going to be putting in the metal storage thing, like all the chemicals and stuff that you use to do nails. So the first thing I got is the Karlash New York acrylic monomer. It's MMA free, and I don't know what MMA means, but when I go to school I'll find out, because I'm gonna be asking questions. So that's that. And then I got the Karlash New York Crystal Clear acrylic powder, and it's the clear one. It's not the pink one, it's not the purple one, it's clear powder. And if you are subscribed to my channel, you will be seeing me actually go to school, the whole process of going to school, what we do at school, me doing some nails, and I'll be using this. I'm just gonna be trying out different products from different brands to see what works for me. And then the next thing I got is a glass dabbing dish for liquid and powder. And it's, I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, for the monomer. So this is which is very small, and I probably will be using this, but this is what you put in here, the monomer. So I might be using this. I honestly don't know yet, because I actually probably want to get a bigger glass, but we'll see. A buffer, which my grandma did order a lot more, because I sent her the money, you know, to get my stuff, because I wanted to hear quick. So I got more of these and more files, so that's what I got. And that's it for this box. And so we're gonna go move on to the next package. I'm gonna use this Amazon box for all my. Here it is. I got my buffers, all my buffers. It comes in a pack of 10. And this is what you need to smooth out your nails. The acrylic on the nail. And then, ooh, yes, she got it. Okay, so this is the, I don't know, yeah, this is the cuticle cleaner. You got your cuticle cleaner to clean, like push the cuticles. Got the trimmer, and you also got, I don't know what this is, but I also think this is for your cuticles, but this is all, yeah, a cuticle trimmer 3-piece. So these are all for your cuticles. And I want to take out the package because I love the way it looks. Rainbow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a rainbow. And I love it. I wanted to keep it simple. And once I get my little desk, I want it to be all the same color. But I actually like these. I like the color. Oh, okay. Okay. So also what I got is this acrylic nail tips that are French tip. I didn't get the clear ones. I told my grandma hold off on the clear. But I got the French tip with the trimmer, the nail trimmer. So this is the edge cutter. When you cut your nails and you know how long you want the nail, how short, you know. So that's that, and it's also pink, which I don't like pink. That's not my favorite color, but you know, whatever. And then I also got the falsy nails, what is it called? Yeah, the French tips. So you guys will be seeing me use these. Let me see. And this is basically what it looks like, if you don't know what that is. And then they have the numbers on here from 0 to 9. And if you didn't know, 0 is the biggest, all the way to 9 is the smallest. So 9 is pinky, I believe 8 is pinky. And yeah, so thumb, index finger, all of that. Yeah, you get the point. I'm very excited to start nail school. Y'all don't understand. And most of y'all know that I actually went to cosmetology school. I just haven't got my license. It's been like 3 years, but I am going to do it once I get into the swing of going to school and actually studying to take my test, because I'm only going to school for like, shoot, 14 to 28 weeks. So it's not gonna be that long. It's only gonna be a month and some change. So I'm really excited, and yeah. And then I also got 10 pieces of the files. I got 10 of these. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have all the prices linked down in the description box. I'm gonna try to put the links down. I've really been having issues with trying to put links down with my Instagram and everything else, but I will be putting all the prices down there and the names and whatever. So yeah, bell next to the subscribe button just to get notified any and every time I post a video. And please go share it with your friends, go share it with your family, go share it with your mom and dad and all of that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, and if you want to see how I got this color, I did a root retouch on my hair because I needed to get my roots done again. So if you want to see how I got this red, this pretty red without bleach, watch my previous video. This is gonna be posted probably either Tuesday or Friday because I'm waiting for more packages to come in. But yeah, this is, I love red, especially in the fall and winter time. I love red. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey.